Yo, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this night vision effect for your next edit or music video. Starting off, I already have my clip imported, and we're going to go ahead and add our adjustment layer right here. First thing I'm going to go ahead and add is going to be CC Vignette. Drag in CC Vignette, drag it right there, and make sure it's on our adjustment layer right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually zoom in into our keyframes. I'm going to go ahead and start actually adding our effects onto our keyframes right here. We can actually see what frames I'm going to use. So I'm going to put our angle of view right here. I'm going to put at 70, and then I'm going to put our mount right here at 0. I'm going to create our first keyframe right here by clicking on time watch and putting our keyframe at 0, 2 frames. Then I'm going to go all the way over here, head to our 16th frame right here, and we're going to put it all the way up to 100. I'm going to zoom out a bit so you guys can kind of copy my keyframes right here, or have an idea where you guys are going to put your actual keyframes. Now this doesn't really matter where you put your keyframes, you just want to go ahead and follow kind of the same pace of this effect. So once after that, I'm going to go ahead and close our CC Vignette effect. Then I'm going to go ahead and add hue underscore saturation. Make sure colorize is enabled. I'm going to put our hue right here at -241 or -241, and it's going to give us a nice green hue effect. I'm going to go ahead and follow the same keyframes I just used right here. I'm going to put our saturation at 0. And it's going to give us a nice black and white effect. Then I'm going to head to the 16th frame. I'm going to put it at 53 right here. It's going to start giving us a nice transition from black and white to our green hue right here. Once after that, I'm going to close out our hue effect. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our exposure effect. Drag it in right here. Then I'm going to go and zoom in a bit. Head to our 6th frame and zoom out. And we're going to click on our time watch and make sure our exposure is at 0. And then we're going to go ahead and add our flash transition into our effect. Then we'll go right here while it starts turning to green. Then we'll crank up our exposure all the way up to 10 right there, and it's going to start freaking deep frying our effect. But don't worry, I'm going to go ahead, head to the 16th frame. I'm going to put it down all the way to 0 so it starts dying out. I'm going to go ahead and add a noise effect. Drag a noise, it's going to be under noise and grain. Turn off our use color noise and put our amount at 20. Then I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm going to go ahead and add our last effect, which is going to be a blur effect called Gaussian blur. It's going to be under blur and sharpen, Gaussian blur. And we're going to go ahead and keyframe this effect as well. So we're going to follow the same keyframes we use for our exposure effect. So we're going to start off at 0 and create our keyframe. Go right here, and we're going to put our blurriness all the way up to around 20. So you just want a full blur effect right here. Then go all the way right here, and then we're going to put it all the way down to 0 once again. We're going to highlight all of our keyframes and press F9 to ease it. And yeah, that's how you create this nice and simple night vision effect for your next music video or edit. And yeah, keep on staying creative and keep on working hard, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.